all of us are well aware, and it was already stated that Indian Railway is lifeline for the country. Yes, of course. It is a mass transportation system for our almost 90% of the country. And it is a main logistic, in fact, at least for the bulk goods, main logistic transportation means to take our goods from one place to other place. We are the fourth largest railway network in the world and moving around 2 crore passengers every day, means about around 645. It went up to pre-COVID, we were about 840 crore passengers moving every year. Now it has, after COVID, it is slightly less, but again we are picking up now. And 5 million ton freight with 20,000 number of trains, around 20,000 trains we move every day to take our passengers and goods from one part of the country to other. And we connect the people for their social gathering and business deal works. We started in 1853 with a steam locomotive, a steam train, and today we have come up to modern locomotive systems and Vande Bharat train. For about that, Mani sir will be telling. I happened to work with Mani Saab when I was senior DN in Sikandrabad division. Sir was ADRM there. And we have almost 3 to 4 years we have worked together in that area. For how to improve and how to take India in Viksit Bharat, that was the subject. It covers in 2 parts, how to improve the experience of passengers and how we can make our logistic market goods faster movement and timely movement with the speeds. As far as passenger experience is there, you have already seen the massive Amrit Bharat Station Scheme, Amrit Station Scheme, where we are developing more than 1,300 stations. These stations will provide better experience to the passengers when we start our journey. And it has already started realizing. Works are going on more than 1,100 stations. 5 stations are already completed, which we are using now. It has started realizing, and then we foresee that around 400 to 500 station will complete in current year and balance in the next year. And we take it to Viksit Bharat, and we are estimating to complete around 4,000 stations by 2047. The scheme is big, and then with the industry participation, we see that we will be able to provide better experience to all the passengers. Thereafter, we enter in the train, and then we started service. More than 102 services are already running. More than 100 services are Vande Bharat are already started running. And most of us might have traveled in that and felt better experience compared to earlier train sets. These train sets are state of the art, designed in India, being manufactured in India, and we want to take this Vande Bharat experience and coaches to 2047 in big way. Around more than 22,000 coaches and roughly 400 train sets we want to start very soon. So this will be a big experience for the passengers. In addition to Vande Bharat, we are Amrit Bharat trains also coming up. They are all, only difference is non-AC, and they will also provide very good experience to our middle class and lower class customers. 2 trains I have already started running, and then further are planned. They will come very soon. This all is possible with better budgetary support from the government of India. The other side, we come, if freight side, we have already completed dedicated freight corridor. And now coming up, in last budget you might have heard that we are coming up with 3 corridors, economic corridors. These corridors are for connecting the consumption places to the production places, like our coal sidings to the powerhouses, cement raw materials to the cement manufacturing places, plants, and from there to consumption centers. So we call them economic corridors for connecting coal, minerals, and cement areas. Then second corridor is high density network. Our existing high density network is very badly congested. To expand it, we are doing doubling and 4-lining, and then some connectivity to the new places from where our mines or cement factories are there. And third is port connectivity work. So these 3 corridors constitute more than 40,000 kilometers of work and investment of around 11 lakh crore in next 8 years. The work has already started. These corridor DPRs are being prepared, and budget allotment, capex support from the government has already increased. Prior to merger of railway budget, we were suffering from proper budgetary support to have a network expansion in line with demand. Now we are getting better support. Earlier it was on the range of 30,000 crores. It has now reached to 2.5 and above. So we are expecting this budgetary support to continue, and then infra will expand, thereby our train movement and logistic transportation system will also improve. We are already reached to the 5th economy of the world, and we are aiming for the 3rd. For any country's economic development, the logistic market is very, very important. And now we are going in the same direction to develop our logistic market. Transportation system for the proper logistic, rail is the cheapest mode and environment friendly system. We are almost less than half or around half of the in cost wise, and then 1/9 carbon dioxide emission. Therefore, government has started giving more importance and expansion of the rail network. And we are sure to gain from present 27% market share to 35% in next 10 years time, maybe by 3032 when we complete these all economic corridors, and then that time it is our expectation. We are going in big way for network expansion. By 2047 in Viksit Bharat, we are planning to make our existing rail network to double, almost double, and working in that direction. As far as high speed travel experience is there, bullet train project is on the way, and by 2027 we may start our services in Gujarat portion. And in addition to that, about 7,000 kilometer further network expansion by 2047 in Viksit Bharat. In addition to that, we are lot of new type of rolling stocks, 2x25 electrification for more to run advanced train sets, and lot of works are planned by 2047 to take Viksit Bharat. I invite all the industries to join hands with railways and improve our infrastructure, become the partner, and take us to Viksit Bharat in big way. Thank you very much.